Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So this video is all about how to fix this issue. Your device ran into a problem and needs to be restart. You can restart and you can see the error code as well. Inaccessible boot device. So if you are facing this error, I will show you when I'm trying to turn it on my laptop. I'm getting this error. I will show you the error again. Laptop is turning on. And you can see window icon and you can see same error, inaccessible boot device. So to fix this issue, you need to open your BIOS option first. Turn off your laptop and turn it on and open your BIOS menu. So I'm using a Dell laptop. So in Dell laptop, you have to press F2 key to open the BIOS menu. And if you're using a HP laptop, then you have to use this escape button to open your BIOS option. So I will turn it on my laptop again and I will press F2 to open the BIOS options. Now you can see the BIOS option. Now what you have to do is, now you have to search for load default setting and you can see this is the option, load default. Or if you are using a HP laptop, then you have to search for factory default setting. So I'm using a Dell laptop, so I will choose load default option. Click on load default and click on OK, then click on yes and then click on exit. Now wait, laptop will restart. Now if you get this error, automatic repair, go to advanced option, then use this option, continue to Windows 10, click on it. Now you can see it's done. I will try to log in and here you can see it's done. So what you have to do is you have to shut down your laptop, then open your BIOS and choose load default setting, or if you are using a HP laptop, then you have to search for factory default. That's it. So thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.